Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is down about 0.6% there. On the S&P Nasdaq 0.8%, semiconductor 1.7%, Dow 0.1%, Russell 2000, transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, and physical sectors are seemingly red today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver miners are also dollar up, oil up, treasury bond down. VIX popped about 6% there. Let's stick with the S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is what we closed on Friday. Looks like we actually saw a down gap this morning, as you can see right here. This is where we closed on Friday. We gapped down, as you can see, and then came down here. I retested that 408 pivot, coinciding with my short-term moving average. And with that, we did find support there on the first hour and second hour. Bulls got up here. The problem was that down gap was not fully filled here, as you can see. And that's going to cause buyers difficulties going forward. It would have been better for the bulls if that gap was filled, right? So with that micro-term moving average coming down here and the down gap not being filled, it's going to favor the sellers as long as that down gap remains. Third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, bulls tried it one more time to get up here on that fifth hour. Looks like that micro-term moving average right there to capture it, bring it right back down. On the last hour, we did see a little bit of bearish move. However, that rising uptrend support was right there. Again, coincided with my short-term moving average, rising uptrend support, and brought it right back up. So we did close the day, slightly down here, about 0.6%. Pretty much looks like been consolidating right here after that down gap here. So you can see with the micro-term moving average supporting the sellers, that down gap still remaining. And those are going to be the weapons for the sellers for this week. However, buyers do have, some advantage here just because they are still hanging out above that short. You see that green dotted moving average right here? You see that green dotted moving average does carry an impressive resume because some of these levels did act as pivotal support. So that's that midterm moving average. Not to mention, we do have the rising uptrend support here. And that's the that dotted pink line going up here. So you can see we have a battle going on here. Bears versus the buyers with some of these levels of resistances, levels of the moving average, right? Micro term supporting the sellers, while the short term and the rising uptrend support selling the bull, supporting the buyers here. The down gap, it's gonna cause a problem if that doesn't get filled quickly. We do have horizontal pivot as well, as you can see that 408, that prior swing high resistance is acting. So we do have a triple support in this vicinity, that 408, right? Again, rising uptrend support, short-term moving average, and the horizontal pivot of 408. Let's check out that oscillator. So as you can see, that oscillator has rolled over, and with that here, so you can see that oscillator hit that overbought level here, hit that overbought level there, and in a timely manner, we see that price coming back down, similar to here where we see that price coming back down. So it's very identical setup here. You can see when oscillator rolled over right here. And what happened was we see that the micro-term moving average was lost. We hit that short-term moving average and the rising uptrend support when the oscillator got here. Same thing here. Oscillator rolls over. We lost the micro-term moving average actually on Friday. And then price comes down, hit that short-term moving average, coinciding with the rising uptrend support. and the oscillator gets back to this level where we found that support. So we're at the oscillator support. So if bulls do not make quick upside move tomorrow and reclaim the micro term and fill this down gap tomorrow morning, bears are going to bring it down, and looks like they might iron on the midterm moving average of 403 if we cannot hold 408 or 406. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy evening globe trading tomorrow.